My dear students, I welcome all of you to my English class. I think all of you are well. I am also well, and I like to carry on my discussion on the previous lesson. That means I took a class on Unit 12, Lesson 1, and the lesson title is Environment and Nature. Unit title Environment and Nature, lesson on water everywhere. I think all of you have read the text very well at your home. Today I like to give you some questions, and I like to practice some questions that you will find in the exam. You know that for the question number 2 you will get flow chart. So today we will try how to write flow chart, and for this reason please open your textbook, stanza 2 and 3, and all of you will read the text with me. One of the sources of water in our country are the rivers. Have you got the text? Stanza 2. Please follow the text and read out the text with me. One of the sources of water in our country are the rivers. Rivers are everywhere in life, literature, economy and culture. But are the rivers in good shape? Unfortunately, they are not. If you are already dead and several are going through the pangs of death, the river Buriganga is an example of a dying river. A report published in the Daily Sun describes what has happened to the river Buriganga and why. Its water is polluted and a perpetual stench fills the air around it. But that is not what it was like before. Stanza 2. Now I will read out the stanza 3. Please read out the text with me. The report says that the river had a glorious past. Once it was a tributary of the mighty Gangas and flowed into the Bay of Bengal through the river Dholeshwari. Gradually it lost its link with the Gangas and got the name Buriganga. The Mughals marveled at the tide level of the Buriganga and founded the capital on its bank in 1610. The river supplied drinking water and supported trade and commerce. Jahangirnagar was renamed Dhaka, which grew into a heavily polluted city with a chronic shortage of space. Now we will try to write, or now we will try how to make a flow chart from this stanza to a stanza. Please read the following text. Read the following text and make a flow chart. Make a flow chart showing the conditions of the rivers. Showing the conditions of the river in our country. No one has been done for you. Please, while writing or making flowchart, you must keep in mind that you should not break the flow of the text. You will get some points on the basis of the question, and you will try your level best to maintain the flow. You cannot break the flow, then it will not be an appropriate flowchart. So you will given an example for writing a flowchart, and you have to collect the other 5 points from the text maintaining sequences. You cannot break the sequence. Rather, you must strictly follow it, maintain it for writing an appropriate flowchart. Understand? I think all of you have understood. So I will give an example, or point number 1 will be given for you, and you will write another 5 points for the flowchart. So from the second stanza or the beginning stanza of the reading text, that means the text which I have read, follow it from the very beginning. One of the sources of water in our country are the rivers. So number 1, rivers are one of the sources of water. Rivers are one of the sources of water. You have got the point. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2, please read out the text with me. Rivers are everywhere in our life, literature, economy and culture. And from this line, we can write down another point. How? Please try to write it, and I will help you. If you fail, then I will help you. Have you got the point? I think you have got the point. Please try to look at the point that I will write on the board. Rivers play an important role in our life, literature, economy, and culture. Understand? I think you have got the second point. Next one, try to write down the next one. Number 3, please read out the next line. But are the rivers in good shape? Unfortunately, they are not. From these 2 sentences, we can write another point. How? Please try. But are the rivers in good shape? Unfortunately, they are not. That means the rivers of our country are not in good shape. The rivers of our country are not in good shape. So what can we write? We can write, I think, and I think you will also think so. With what I think, you will think so. I think rivers are now not in a good shape. Rivers are now not in a good shape. Have you got the point? Okay. Next one. Number 4. Number 4. Please read the next line of your text. A few are already dead and several are going through the pangs of death. A few are already dead. A few, what does it mean? A few rivers. Few rivers. So, and a few are already dead and several going through the pangs of death. Again, I like to read from the beginning lines. One of the sources of water in our country are rivers. Rivers are everywhere in our life, literature, economy and culture. But are the rivers in good shape? Unfortunately, they are not. That means from this line, we can write down another point. That means if the rivers are not in good shape, they are getting polluted. Are you agreed with me? I think you agree with me. So we can write they are being polluted. You have got the point? Okay. This what has been said in the question, that means showing the conditions of the rivers. How are the conditions of the river of our country? Just like Buriganga, we are writing those points. Rivers, not a single river. Though we have got a specific name from the text, the river Buriganga. But in our question, what has been asked? We have been told to we have been told to show the conditions of the rivers. Show the conditions of the rivers. So we are writing the conditions of the rivers. Next point. A few are already dead. Number 5. We can write a few rivers are already dead. Next one. Last one. Last one. From this line we can write several are going through the pangs of death. Several are going through the pangs of death. Have you got the condition of the rivers in our country? And we have maintained the sequences. We have maintained the sequences. You just, I like to mention a point, and this is very important for you. If you write the last one just after the first one, then your sequence will not be maintained. Will not be maintained. What we have written on the board, try to follow from your text that we have maintained the sequences. And for writing flowchart, you must maintain sequence. If you break down the sequence, then you will not get the suitable marks or the appropriate marks or expected marks. Understand? I think all of you have understood how to write a flowchart, and just we have practiced one practically. Next, I will give you another flowchart. Please try to practice it at your home. Read the following text and make a flowchart showing the causes read the following text and make a flowchart showing the causes of pollution of the river Buriganga. No one has been done for you. Here the basic difference is that in the previous question we have written or we try to find out the conditions of the rivers of our country, but in this flowchart you have to find out the causes of pollution of the river Buriganga. You have to highlight. What do you need to highlight? You have to highlight the causes of pollution. You have to find out the causes of pollution of the river Buriganga. So you have to read out the fourth stanza. The city paid back the bounty of the river by sucking life out of it. According to newspaper report, the Buriganga is dying because of pollution. Huge quantities of toxic chemicals and wastes from mills and factories, hospitals and clinics, and households and other establishments are dumped into the river every day. Just I am giving you a clue, or first example will be given for you, and you will write down another 5 points from the text. Please, you will practice it at your home. This is a homework. This is a homework for you. Use number 1. Huge quantities of toxic chemicals and wastes from mills and factories. This is first one, and you have to write down another 5 points. You have to write, or you have to write the flowchart in this way. You cannot break the sequence, and I think you will get all the information from this para or stanza 4. When you will read out stanza 4, you will get all the information that are essential for writing this flowchart. This is a homework. This is a homework for you. You will practice at your home. Okay. Now we will try to write down another question. Please, for the question number 5, you will get fill in the gaps. I am giving you question number 5. How to practice it from your textbook? You will give in your exam paper blanks with suitable word in each gap. Dhaka stands dash the river Buri Ganga. It is the soul of Dhaka, the dash of Bangladesh, but it is a matter of great regret that the Buri Ganga is severely dash its water is quite usable for dash perpetual dash fills the air around it. People cannot walk along the river because of worst this smell is quite harmful to dash body. Its fishes and are dying and dash on it because of J. Please try to fill in the gaps with suitable words. This text is given on the basis of the text from your book. You will try and I will help you. You will try and I will help you, please. Dhaka stands dash the river Buriganga. What will be the correct answer for this gap? On. You are right. Dhaka stands on the river Buriganga. It is the soul of Dhaka, the dash of Bangladesh. It is the soul of Dhaka, the dash of Bangladesh. What will be the correct answer? Just try to remember what can be used, which word can be used for this gap. Capital, good. Capital of Bangladesh. You are also right. But it is a matter of great regret that the Buriganga is severely dash. What can you use for this gap? Which word? Try to find out. You can take help from your textbook. Just try to use. But it is a matter of great regret that Buriganga is severely polluted. You are also right. Good. Polluted. Its water is quite unusable for dash. For dash. Its water is quite unusable for dash. For us. Good. A perpetual dash fills the air around it. A perpetual for us oblique we can use for drinking. DRINKING. A perpetual stance. STN. Yes. A perpetual stance fills the air around it. People cannot walk along the river because of worst dash. Words. Try to write which word we can use or write for this gap. Worst smell. Good. This smell is quite harmful to dash body. To dash body, to human body. Human body. Its fishes are dying and dash on it because of dash. Its fishes are dying and floating because of pollution or contamination. I think you have understood this. Fill in the gaps and you may get such type of question in your exam. Please, for question number 4 and 5, fill in the gaps with clues and without clues, you must read your text very carefully and diligently, because you may get this question from your textbook. So keep contact with your textbook. Today I like to stop here, but your another class will be held now, particularly Bengali. So our respected Sir Mamun Sir, Assistant Professor Bengali, has already entered into the room and he will conduct the class. Please wait for him. Thank you all.